Hi everybody, it's Mindy and I'm back with part 2 from Fansells, and we're going to open this one first. This one's in a box. Not certain it's in a box though. And I'm going to try to do this video pretty quick because the sun's encroaching on my counter. It makes weird things on the counter when the sun shines in real bright. So apparently this is large. Okay, yep, it's large. Okay. Oh, this is a fairly soft canvas. I like that it came in a box. Okay. Oh man, that is dark. So it has 35 colors. Okay, this whole area right here, holy darkness. I am going to say that that is going to be tricky. All right, let's see. It's heavy. I still have the drills on it. I'm trying to get it up here for you. There are E's. I think all of that tree is E. Okay, put it under a light pad. I think it'll be okay, but it is dark, dark brown. So it's mostly E's, and then there's some 6's in there. And then I think that's really it, is E's and 6's. I think you'll be able to see them. Because then we come over here and we have that E again. Okay, a white symbol would be very helpful, right? Here's where we need a white symbol on a dark color. Yeah, we're definitely going to need a light pad to help us with that. Very dark, okay? But light symbols would certainly help. Anyhow, it's a big scene. Oh, look, we got some birds. We got geese. We have geese flying. We have a swan in the water. It keeps going. Keeps going. Oh, it keeps going. And then we have a house, a cottage over here. Okay, cool. 2 toolkits, you know, the standard toolkits. Let's see if I can roll this back a little bit. It's a really soft canvas. Really soft. It's got this huge edge over here, big white edge over here, which does not have a symbol list. It would have been a perfect place to put a symbol list now, wouldn't it? That space, come on, why didn't they do that? This is a big long canvas. I'm not even certain what the measurement is. It doesn't say, does it say? 100 by 43. Okay. All right. It's pretty though. I mean, it's very different, very dark. The greens and the browns, you know, there's a waterfall here. Yeah, that's a waterfall. And then the house over here with all the flowers around the house and whatnot, and the geese flying. I mean, it's a very, very pretty image. Looks really good in the camera too. Looks brighter in the camera is what it looks. Yeah. I mean, it's real pretty. I wish they would have used, you know, white lettering on the symbols, but you're going to have, I mean, a light pad and a light pad. That's all I can say. I like that it came like this, though, in the box. It's nice and smooth, and it's got DMC codes. 35 colors with the DMC codes over here, right? So I like that. Letters and numbers and a couple symbols. So they didn't use all of the letters. Anything that would be confusing with the numbers isn't there. So it's very pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay, I am not going to open all the drills for this one because I have 4 more things to go, and there's another fairly large one. We'll get into that one, but the drills come like this. They're all numbered. Maroons, greens. I mean, you can see the colors. Browns, reds, oranges. Very, very nature colors, right? Very, very nature-y. All right. It's pretty. Wow. Okay. Cool. All right. I'm just going to roll this back up, kind of get it out of our way. Might put it back in the box. Maybe it'll be a giveaway someday. Yeah, I have giveaways coming. All right. Okay, come on. All right. Okay, we got that out of that bag to encounter another bag. The double bagging. It reminds me of going to the grocery store. We get we get 2-liter pop, you know. That's what I always use, is a 2-liter. As a matter of fact, I need a drink right now because here goes my voice. Hang on. And we put 2 in a bag, you know, the plastic bags. My husband's always like, we double bag, please, double bag. We have to carry them in and carry them down to the basement and stuff. So we get them, you know, by bulk. Meijer has a 10 for 10, and you get the 11th item free. And we stock up. Ooh, those are pretty, 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 pretty. So we got some tweezers with this kit because it's a special drill. So we got some tweezers to help you pick up some of the large ones. I tell you what, I did manage to get myself a couple of pretty placers. They're hard to get a hold of on Etsy. They're on Etsy. They're hard to get them, but I got a couple, and I love them, love them, love them for crystals and special drills. They are awesome. Love them. Anyhow, this I thought was really pretty. This little mandala. Look at all of the drilling you do. I mean, this is all going to be loops and loops of rhinestones, and then all this stuff in the center. You're going to get a lot of special drills. How pretty. Let's see the colors. I think it's going to be prettier with the drills on, when you see the drills, than just the canvas like that. It's getting about time to go let the birds out. They're going to be wanting out. So here's our strip of rhinestones. Okay, there's only 4 colors of rhinestones here. A clear, 2 purples, and a gold. Okay, it doesn't even look like there's that many here. Wow. Okay, it's got to be enough to do all of this though, right? Okay, then there's just bags and bags of specials. A champagne teardrop. 2 of those guys, just 2. I'm not sure where 2 go on a mandala, but number 10. It's a big red circle. Okay, well, it's the center. It only needs 1. That's why there's 2. Okay, look at these. Look, these. I saw these when I unbagged it. Look at them. Look at those bad boys. Those are like gold and pink. Gold and pink. Those are gorgeous. Clearly, those are going to go around the center, right? Then we have some marquees that are orange. And that's going to probably go around the center. Well, they're all going to go around the center, but some yellow. Some smaller blue ones. Those are really pretty. And then we have some white pearls. All right, the rhinestones just don't look like there's very many. I hope there's enough to do all of those swirls. It just doesn't seem like there's that much of any one color. Guess time will tell. I hope there's enough of them. Anyhow, sun, it's encroaching. It's encroaching over there. We got 2 more paintings to go. I want to get this done before the sun invades my entire counter. This is a big one. It's a big fat one. And I cannot get it open, so let's get us a little help here. My melee knife is in there somewhere too, but I found that first. Grab whatever's handy, right? Okay. Let's unbag this. Oh, you guys, I love this. Love it. Let's unbag again. Okay, unbag and unbag. This is going to be so pretty. I'm excited about this one. I am excited. Okay. All right. It's a big one, but I'm going to roll it backwards real quick. It's a pretty nice canvas. It's not super thick. It's not the real flexible, soft one either, but it's... Oh, the colors. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is beautiful. Beautiful. Man, that's a clump of drills right there. A clump of drills. 2 toolkits because it's a large one. Here's our... Oh, man, I love it. They're bagged. Look, they're pre-bagged. Yes. I love that. Don't get that very often with some of these companies. Okay, are you ready? Can you see the bottom? Okay, there's the bottom. Look at that color. Oh my goodness. And those are leaves. They're blue leaves. But then we have a blue flower. Oh my goodness. Isn't it pretty? It is so pretty. I love this. It's on an entire like gray scale background and the blue flower pops off it. It is beautiful. It is gorgeous. I absolutely adore this. I was so thrilled. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I was so thrilled to see this. I saw this and I was like, oh yes, that is going in my cart. I know you're getting weird glare with all that plastic, but like I said, the sun, you know, the sun's coming. Okay, it does have a legend up here, yay, and it has one down here. There's only 19 colors, but I mean, seriously, it's gray and blue, right? It is gray and blue, what, you know. Okay, here's the picture. Isn't it cool? So cool, right? This one's letters, mostly letters and a couple of symbols. And there's the drill field. Oh, it's gorgeous, you guys, it's gorgeous. Look at all the grays. It's gonna be gray, 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 and then all of a sudden you get to, bam, beautiful blue, gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. I love it. Okay, and so the drills, oh my gosh, they come pre-bagged. Yeah, with weight and DMC numbers on the bags. Okay, I'm not gonna open them all, okay? We'll open up the drills for the next one, but look at them. Light blues, all kinds of blues, and then look at all the grays. Gray, 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 gray. Oh, dark gray. Oh my gosh, how pretty. How pretty is that, right? Oh my gosh, I love that one. Absolutely love it. It is poured glue, of course. Of course it's sticky. I love it. Love it. Okay, you need to just kind of roll it up a little bit gently and just kind of out of my way there, because we got one more. And this one's not small either. What in the world? What was I thinking? I guess I had some smaller ones in the others unboxing, but these are all fairly good size. All right. I forget what it is. I didn't think this was that big. I really didn't think this was that large. I thought this was just a little 30 by 40. It's not as big as that one though. I think this is like a 40 by 50 maybe. We'll see in a second. All right, toolkit. All right, so here we go with the darkness. Now they do have white here, you know, the white symbol, but then the dark symbols. I don't know. I wish that they would do more white symbols instead of all these black. Anyhow, look. Can you see what that is? It is a couple in a hammock. Yeah, and here's their hammock. Isn't it cool? And then the sunset and the palm trees. Yeah, so this is like a 40 by 50. And does it say on here anywhere? It really doesn't. It doesn't say on here anywhere the size. 27 colors though. I just loved that. This couple, they're just hanging out in their hammock. Now they got palm trees. I don't have palm trees when I'm hanging out in my hammock. It's all very dark. It's not really as dark as it would seem, I don't think, because the drills are all really light. You got one legend on this one. You don't have two. I think it's supposed to be a 40 by 50, but it's clearly not, you know. The drill area. Sorry, these big long bags. We have a purple in here. This is really going to brighten up when you put the drills on, because look at how bright the colors are. Okay, the colors are super bright. Okay. And look at how bright these, oh, it's squares. Did you notice that? It is square drills. Okay, all right. We got a square drill painting. You can get square drill paintings. You just have to hunt and search for square drill. All right, just search square drill and square drill paintings will come up. Most of these companies have a category that is just called square drill. Oh, we got just section after section here, strip after strip. 2 of those, 2 of those. See, the colors are super bright, right? So it's going to be very, very pretty. It's going to be a lot brighter than, and then here comes my favorite, okay. Purple, purple, purple. Now we got black. We're definitely gonna need black for all the silhouette. 4 bags of black, actually. Huh. More purples, pinks. They look dusty. I heard somebody else talk about that once. Like, are they putting something in the bags so that they're not staticky? Maybe, I don't know. I mean, the drills look good. He got squished. But the drills look good. Look, let's look at those pinks. They look good. They don't look like they're wonky or knobbly bits or, you know, for squares, they look really nice. Don't they? They look good to me. Look at them. I think they look really nice. All right. Well, it's very pretty. Very, very pretty. It's going to be much brighter than it looks on that canvas. So anyhow, I think I'm done. See, the sun is coming. It's invading my counter, so I'm done. I'm done filming for now. Thank you, Fansells, for sending these things. I got quite a variety of items from the little framed item last time. Special drills, some smaller things, some larger things. Tried to get a good mix of things to show you guys. So there you have it. Again, thank you, Fansells. And go check them out. I will link everything below. Thank you for watching, subscribing, hit the like button on your way out, and I will talk to you later. Have a great day while I go clean up all of this stuff. It's everywhere now. All right, I will talk to you later.